Good day, mate! Aaron Ottobre here, and today it's a day of great excitement. I'm not doing a shoe review, but today it is a shoe unboxing. It's a very exciting unboxing because it's not just one, but it's a triple unboxing of awesome shoes from Xero Shoes. So we'll check them out now. If you're not familiar with the awesome benefits of being barefoot and having a barefoot lifestyle, check out this video. It's also linked in the description. That should tell you all you need to know, all the basics. Now let's check out these awesome shoes I've just got myself. Alright. Yeah. So good. So, these ones, don't let the colours throw you off there. That's just a bit of cardboard. So these are called the ZTrek. They're one of the sandals that Xero Shoes makes. They actually make a lot of sandals. And they started off making just sandals and, in fact, DIY, make it your own sandal kits. They developed the ZTrek when people put in requests saying that they don't like stuff between their toes, which is like me. And so they come up with this lacing system. It's a very thin sandal. It's just 5.5 millimeters, I believe. Yeah, 5.5 millimeters, which is just 1 millimeter thicker than my trusty Speed Force sole. So very, very minimalist. Good. Seems like a nice, simple strap system there, and it is of course called the ZTrek because it makes a Z pattern. If you want a little bit more protection, they do make a very similar one called the Z-Trail, which is 10 millimeters of total sole and includes a little bit of what they call trail foam. So check that out if you want a bit more protection. That's very exciting. They're really going to be my everyday kind of shoe. Walk around, go everywhere with them, shops, taking the bins out, kitty litter, simple stuff like that. And in fact, since being more barefoot, I've found, and going outside in winter a lot, being on the concrete, my feet have gotten used to the cold to the point where even now if I put them in my moccasins, they kind of just feel a little bit too hot. So I reckon these will really come in handy for that. Now next shoe, this is called the Aptos. I really like the look of this, really cool shoe. It might remind you of another similar shoe, something that rhymes with Nans. I won't say anything more, but yeah, very cool, simple look. It's a great casual, everyday kind of shoe. This is going to be the new shoe that I wear in the office. Nice, simple. All Xero shoes come with a removable insole, totally optional. It's I think it's only 2 millimeters or something. It's pretty thin. I tend to take them out, and I also wear them without socks because you can. Yes, that's a nice size. Looks good. Nice and comfy. And the thing I love about this shoe, no laces, very simple and quick and easy to slip on and off, so highly recommended. Aptos. Alright, final shoe unboxing. What have we got here? Oh yeah. So this is called the Terraflex. It's designed as a trail shoe. It's the more heavy duty sort of trail running shoe that they've got. And the other one is the Mesa Trail, if you want a bit of a lighter trail running shoe. I went for this one because I'm planning to do a lot of tough mudders and those sorts of events where I'm going to be trudging through a lot of mud, and I want a bit of grip, as much grip as I can get. So these ones have less lugs and they're more separated for better traction. And I also want to experiment using this shoe when I play outdoor soccer, which I'm planning to do next year after all this COVID nonsense. So I'll see how they go as a soccer boot. I mean, they're not obviously studs, but I've heard of some people using it for that, and apparently it works quite well. So I'll give it a try and we'll see what happens. Yeah, those are my 3 new exciting Xero shoes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ciao. Oh, if you want to get yourself a pair, if you're in Australia, xeros.com.au. If you're in the States, xeroshoes.com. Links in the description. Thanks. Ciao.